Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as expected, market has opened on a lower note and we cannot see much movement on the chart. If we zoom in, then we can clearly see that market is forming dojis and spinning tops. And as we all know, dojis and spinning tops signify indecision in the market. So, my dear friends, if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then it's time to take rest. Go and do the household works because market is not in a good position. As we already know, my dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers. So my dear friend, this is not the ideal position to take any start any position. So let's wait and watch. If we look at the economic calendar, then we can see that we have some news coming up in the evening in the US session. So this will bring some volatility, but there's a high chance that overall the week will remain sideways because the market will be waiting for the next big event on Friday, and that is NFP, non-firm payroll. So till NFP, there's a high chance that US dollar or all the USD pairs will remain sideways, or you can consider that it will remain choppy. Okay, and if we look at the chart of gold, then you can see that gold right now is standing at 1915 level. This is the current market price. So overall, the levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. The levels have not changed at all. So first of all, let's look at the chart of DXY. Let's have a quick look. DXY right now standing at 104. We can clearly see the market is an uptrend. There is no doubt about it. Both fundamentally and technically, DXY is bullish right now. After this news, there may be a slight change in the market sentiment, but right now the market sentiment is bullish. As a result, we need to plan our trades accordingly. So before the news, before the US session, if DXY continues the series of red candles here, still you need to consider this as a correction. See, correction and trend reversal both are different things. This is just a correction in the market, or you can say pullback retracement. So the next support is around the 50 moving average, which is 103.50 to 103.60. This is the first support on the chart of DXY, and the second support is around 103.10 to 103 level. These are the two support levels where we can expect the market to have some buyers, from where we can expect the market to bounce, not bounce, because in simple words, number of buyers are higher in comparison to number of sellers. So as a result, it's better and safer to stay with the side of the buyers. Simple. Okay, now let's look at the chart of gold. So the gold start, okay, the gold start is sideways right now. So as a result, we need to plan our trades like that. After all, okay, we need to stay loyal to the chart, isn't it? So my friends, as I have already said in my earlier video, that on the chart of gold, we have two important support levels. The first support is around 1903 and the second support is around 1899 to 1900. These are two are the support levels on the chart of gold right now. 1903 because previously market bounced from this level, so we can hope that market will get the support again. And the reason is that to break any level, volume is extremely important. And if the market sentiment remains like this, then obviously we can clearly see the volume is missing. So in this scenario, obviously market will get the support. Without volume, market cannot go for a breakout or breakdown. In that manner, we can expect the market to bounce. So if market bounces, yes, we can buy. On the other hand, okay, if market breaks also, your next immediate support will be around 1899 to 1900 level. 1899, 1900 level seems to be a good level because apart from 1900 being a round number, we also have FIBO 78.6% retracement, sorry, FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Till now, we can clearly see that market has respected our FIBO levels. Okay. This is a different chapter because news was dominating the market, but overall our setup was very nice. So we can hope that in absence of news, our FIBO level of 1899 1900 to work again. Moreover, 1900 is also a psychological level. Okay, on the other hand, if market shows upside, then we can expect the sellers who were present around 1924 level are still present, and we can expect that they will try to push the market again. They will not allow the market to go up because their sell positions are around this area. But already market has tested the level 3 times. Okay, so as a result, if the volatility of the market remains like this, just switch to 15 minutes time frame. 1 hour time frame is also good enough. Just see how the market is doing. If you see that the volatility of the market is like this, market is struggling around 1921, 22, 24 level, you will get a confirmation that previous sellers are still present, and you can go for a sell position. How much you can expect? 40-50 pips easily. And during the US session, if market surprises us with volatility, then obviously this will not work, because see, I already told you guys on Saturday that market has already tested it 3 times. Okay, so as a result, okay, we need to focus on the next level, which is around 1930. 1930, you can see we are considering it because of previous price rejection from above around this area, and then we have some resistance around 1934-35 level. Okay, so these are the two resistances on the chart of gold if market breaks 1924 level. But in this situation, okay, we can easily hope that market will stay inside this range only. In this type of market scenarios, buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy you can follow, and for that you simply need to go to the 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame. Okay, but try to avoid trading in the middle of the chart because your risk to reward ratio doesn't matches. And most importantly, okay, there's a very thin line between trading and gambling. Okay, sometimes we don't even realize, but we are gambling with our hard-earned money, we are gambling with our capital, so don't make the mistake. And as you guys already know, that world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों ही लैंग्वेज में होता है. And the new dates are, okay, the new dates are, you can see Hindi classes 6, 7 and 8 of September, English classes on 11, 12 and 13th of September. Okay, and everything is mentioned on the website. It's a 3 days workshop. Okay, the topics that I'll be covering here, and the most importantly, this workshop is not for complete beginners. The workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for many months and years. So if you are struggling, then only you should join, because I do not teach complete beginners, and you'll also find my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. I also have a questionnaire at the beginning so that you can see whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. Okay, and my dear friends, everything is mentioned here, and this is a pro trader program. Okay, the workshop is a part of the pro trader program, so you don't need to worry. Okay, so once you join the workshop, you'll receive all the benefits. After the 3 days workshop, you will also receive support for 1 month. You'll receive all the benefits of the pro trader program. If you join now also, you'll be receiving all the things till the workshop. After the workshop, you'll be getting another additional 1 month support. So you can join now also. You'll be getting all the benefits free of cost. And the best part is the fees. Yes, the fees is the most affordable thing, probably the lowest in the whole world. You can see it's only $15, rupees 1000 for Indians. It's only $15 for 3 days workshop and 1 month support. So feel free to join. And if you're looking for longer relationship with me, if you're looking for personal sessions, then you can go for lifetime session or lifetime support, lifetime support, 6 month support. Everything is very, very affordable. Here you'll also be receiving personal sessions with me. I have kept it very affordable so that genuine people can afford, they can change their life. Okay, hopefully you guys will love it. And many of you have doubts regarding the lifetime support. See, lifetime support means you'll be receiving, okay, market updates, analysis, trade setups for lifetime. You'll get access to our Telegram community where you'll find lots and lots of traders from around the world for a lifetime. See, Pro Trader program is mainly useful for 2 types of people. First of all, advanced traders who are already profitable and really doing lot good in the market. But still, okay, the additional support, the additional information from my side and my team, okay, is useful in their analysis. So this is category 1. The second category is for those people who are struggling with the market right now, unable to make money, not consistently profitable trader. So the second category of people, is also okay, fine. They also find a lot of benefits from the pro trader program. Okay, for them their lifetime support is very useful, because because trading, okay, there is no shortcut in trading. Okay, it requires a lot of patience, lot of time and effort. So obviously you will be needing, okay, you'll be needing a lot of guidance, lot of support. So in that case the lifetime support is very useful, okay, in the form of personal sessions. It can be in the form of updates, analysis, setups, everything. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care.